Kim. Bisaya na lang may kapoy man English. Gikan ko sa Showtime ba, open ko dito, nag-judge ko, gadalit-dalit, may naabot ng kaloy sa Diyos, wala man sa traffic. I am so blessed and overwhelming. I am so blessed with your overwhelming support. Grabe. One of my dreams is to, of course, have a concert. And mind you, this is the first ever show that I have so many guests and sponsors. Grabe. But yes, for your information, I won the words. But before I joined the Bodies, I just want to say, I became a streamer in Kumu. I don't know if you know about Kumu. Sa pandemic, grabe ang mga adjustment ba? Wala dyan may trabaho, wala kaming trabaho. Hirap kumain. Nagbenta pa akong biko just to get through. And my next song only brings out the meaning of your worth. So, in 2022, I released a song and it's written by Cebuano. I don't know kung dito siya. John or Skel, if you're here, thank you. Daghang salamat bay for making a song. And it's a song that talks about you being worthy and don't ever feel that you're not enough. Kinsa man diri ang nagtuo na worthy sila? Wala. Say hi. Ayun no. Sino dito ang naniniwalang karapat dapat tayong mapansin, mahalin? Okay, without further ado, this song is my song and it's called Billion. I hope you like this.